Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how a potentiometer is used as a variable resistor. That means a resistance which is changing, or a voltage divider. Some of you may already know what this actually how it is used, but let us work on this. First of all, let us try to see it as a variable resistor. I'll just explain both of them to you. And then in this video, I will be doing one part, and in the next video, the second part. The second part is as a voltage divider. All right, just consider this circuit now. This circuit basically has a battery, a resistor. This is a normal resistance, a potentiometer. So this is the part which is actually the potentiometer. All right. So you have, what do you see here? A potentiometer basically has three legs, three pins. We are using only one pin, that is this pin, and the wiper. We are not using the third pin. So if you're connecting a potentiometer like this, it actually behaves like a variable resistor. Now what does it mean, variable resistor? When I talk about this resistance is fixed. For example, if it is a 100 ohm resistance, so this is going to remain a 100 ohm resistance no matter what. What about the potentiometer? Suppose the potentiometer is a 400K potentiometer. 400K potentiometer actually means that the total resistance from top to bottom is actually 400K. So that means from this point to this point it is 400K. But when we actually connect the wiper, if the wiper is connected here, there is no resistance because it has not even reached the started the resistance part yet. So if the wiper is at this particular level, the resistance is zero. If the potentiometer is at half point, we can figure out that because the whole resistance is 400K, it is going to be 200K. And if the wiper is here at the end, the because now the total resistance is going to work now, so it is going to be 400K. Now this is the basic description of this. So when I want to use a potentiometer as a variable resistance only, that means I just want a resistance which is going to vary, then I will use only two pins. That is, I will use one of the pins on the sides and the wiper. I will leave out the middle pin. If I connect this to the ground, this becomes a potentiometer as a voltage divider. Okay, so this is the basic difference now. So if I use it like this, it is going to be used as a variable resistor. Now we have put on the wiper, we have put a load which is an LED. A load actually means this where the output is going to come. And we have put a resistor here. Why do you think we have put this resistor? Why do we need this resistor here? Okay, this is a question that I need you to answer in the comments below. Uh, let me now explain this particular system on Tinkercad. Now in Tinkercad, let us take a breadboard. Let us take a potentiometer. So I'll fix it somewhere here. We'll take a resistance. Let's see where we'll put it. Let's take an LED. So we'll probably put it here. And let's take a battery. Let's take this battery. Uh, okay. let's have it as a three batteries thing so that we have more voltage. Let me connect it directly to the breadboard. The resistance, as we saw in the circuit, we'll put it somewhere here. That is before the terminal. So I'm going to use terminal 1 only. I'm not going to use terminal 2. And the middle pin, we'll put it with on the LED there. This to the positive, this to the negative. Positive, I'll just change this, sorry, the color of this to red. Alright, now let us start the simulation and you can see that the thing is glowing. If I change, if I bring this to the end, it has stopped glowing. So that means the resistance has increased. The resistance increases as I bring this wiper, as I bring the wiper to the other side. As I bring the wiper to the other side, the resistance increases. Okay, alright. That is the explanation of this particular system, that is using a potentiometer as a variable resistor. Alright. So you saw that if the wiper is on one side, there is no resistance at all. And because there is no resistance, the LED is at its brightest. And as we change the wiper to the other side, the resistance increases, and because the resistance is increasing, the LED stops glowing. I hope this is clear to you. Please give me the answer to the question whether why did we actually put this resistance here? What happens if I don't put this resistance? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.